Okay, Paprikash has been cooking for 3 hours and we are ready to go. Here
Rice.
is the reveal.
And the rice.
And we got rice
And spinach.
So, bada boom. Yippee doo. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. She's done. Okay, we're going to shut her down. Shut off the heat.
And wait. It needs to rest.
Wait till it stops boiling.
Let it rest.
We're going to let it rest for a few minutes, uncovered.
Yes.
Then we're going to check the tenderness of the chicken, which should be falling off the bone. And that is what you want. I used sweet Hungarian paprika and a little bit of smoked paprika. So it should have a nice flavor. And we're about to eat. And that's how you do it.